Can I get it? Meh. Just joking. I actually like to play the flute.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Though it's too cold, saw your face in the crowd and I think we'll all die. We're just perfect.
Yo, Stumpy, how's it going? Why do they call you Stumpy?
I'm not quite sure.
Fuck, man! What the hell? Hey man, I got DCT just for you. You better get yourself in there and have a go. As a prop, every time we go in there, you've got to give it the you know. Oh well, gotta let the film crew have a go. We just got to pull the you know, the drive it thing.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, looks like that's all I'll be keeping. Stumpy, you are coming back, yeah? Oh my god, the bear might get me. Well, here we are. I let Stumpy have a go on my car, and it looks like he ain't coming back. I don't know who those black lines are, one for me. I'm going to bring you some exclusive content. Look at this pile of dung. Now yeah, that's the kind of shit I'm talking about. That's right, just me and the shit. Some crutches. Yes, very nice.
Scary as shit.
Sorry, sir.
Fucking hell. Absolute weapon.
You like?
Yeah, a little bit too much, I think.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Man, you're crazy. You ain't even got a fucking seatbelt on. Fool, crazy.
Fucking
Fool.
hell. Right, I'll go down and turn around.
Alright, see ya. Can I get it? Meh. Thank you. Stumpy, those tyres are actually £100. Goddamn street racers.